Give the magnitude and direction of the net force acting on a stone of mass 0.1 kg when just after it is dropped from the window of a stationary train. So this is the train, okay, which is at rest, okay, stationary. If we just drop the stone from the window, so here the force acting on that stone is gravitational force. So the net force is gravitational force, it is in downward direction. Now coming to second one, just after it is dropped from a window of train running at a constant velocity. Now here train is running with some constant velocity 36 km per hour. Once stone is dropped, it will have horizontal velocity, but force is there only in vertically downward direction. The force is only in vertically downward direction, so it will follow the path, projectile motion, it will follow this path. So here the net force on that object is only in vertically downward direction. Coming to third one, just after it is dropped from the window of a train accelerating with 1 meter per second square. Now this train is accelerating with 1 meter per second square. Once you release the object or stone from the window of the train, the only force acting on that object is only gravitational force. Once it is released, only gravitational force will act. So the net force on that object is in downward direction, that is gravitational force, which is equal to m into g. So 0.1 into 9.8 is equal to 0.98 newtons. In the second case also same thing, mg 0.98 newtons. In the first case also same thing, 0.98 newtons. Now coming to fourth case, lying on the floor of a train which is accelerating with 1 meter per second square, the stone being at rest relative to the train. Now here train is moving with acceleration 1 meter per second square. Now the stone is at rest with respect to train. That means the stone also has acceleration of 1 meter per second square. Then force on the stone is equal to mass into acceleration. So 0.1 into 1 is equal to 0.1 newtons. This is the force on the stone in forward direction along the motion of the train.